In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter emails in Yahoo Mail. By the end, you'll have a simple rule that automatically routes certain messages to the right place, keeping your inbox focused and uncluttered. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Yahoo Mail. When the results appear, click the official Yahoo Mail link to go to the sign-in page. Sign in to your account as you normally would. For a smooth experience, make sure you're on a trusted device and network before entering your credentials. Once you're in your mailbox, look for the classic Yahoo Mail view. At the top right, open the Account Info drop-down, choose Settings, and then click Go to open the Settings panel. If your layout looks slightly different, don't worry. Settings is typically located in the upper right area of the interface. In the Settings panel, select Filters. This is where Yahoo Mail stores all the rules that automatically sort your messages. Click Add New Filter to create a new one. Now define your criteria. You can filter by From, To, CC, Subject, or Body. Use From when you want messages from a specific sender to be routed. To, CC is helpful if you receive emails sent to a particular address or mailing list. Subject is great for newsletters or recurring alerts that always include the same keywords. Body lets you match words in the content of the email. It's powerful, but keep your terms specific to avoid catching unrelated messages. Next, choose how the filter should match. You'll see options like Contains, Begins with, or Ends with. Contains is flexible and works well for keywords or partial names. Begins with and ends with are helpful when the text you're targeting is consistent and appears at the start or end of a field, like a subject prefix. After that, pick where matching emails should go. Select an existing folder from the list, or create a new one if you prefer to keep these messages separate. Give any new folder a clear, specific name so you'll immediately recognize what's inside. When everything looks right, click Save at the bottom. Your filter is now active and will apply to future incoming messages. Keep in mind that filters generally don't retroactively move emails you've already received, so you'll notice the effect on new mail going forward. If you ever need to fine-tune the rule, maybe broaden the keywords or narrow them, return to Settings and Filters to edit it. Thoughtful criteria and a clear destination folder will keep your inbox organized without losing important messages. That's all you need to set up a clean, automated flow in Yahoo Mail.